Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 17, Example 11. In this example, we want to solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 9 equals 6x by using the quadratic formula. In step 1, we want to simplify each side if needed. This equation is already simplified. In step 2, we want to write the quadratic equation in standard form if needed. Standard form for a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. It looks like we need to bring the 6x over to the right side. We can do this by subtracting both sides by 6x. Doing this, we get x squared plus 9 minus 6x equals 6x minus 6x. This will simplify to be x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. In step 3, we want to identify a, b, and c. In standard form, a is the number in front of x squared, b is the number in front of x, and c is the constant. We want to make sure that we keep the sign that is in front of each of these numbers. For our problem, that means a equals 1, b equals a negative 6, and c equals 9. In step 4, we want to plug in the values found in step 3 into the quadratic formula, which is x equals a negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Plugging in our values into this formula, we will get x equals a negative b, which is negative 6, plus or minus the square root of b, which is a negative 6 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 9, all over 2 times a, which is 1. In step 5, we want to simplify if possible. This will give us x equals 6 plus or minus the square root of a negative 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times 1 times 9, which is 36, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. Taking the 36 minus 36, we get the 6 plus or minus the square root of 0 all over 2. And since the square root of 0 is 0, we get x equals 6 over 2, which will simplify to be x equals 3. We cannot simplify this any further, so our final answer is x equals 3.